Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Baba Chops from Smiling Critters. So let's get started. To draw this cute sheep, let's first start by drawing a curve for the wool on top of his eyes. So I'm just going to start right here with one curve. So this is going to be right in the center. And then we're going to just come out on both sides and draw two more. And then just end it. So same thing over here. One and then one more, right about there. Then from there, we're going to draw the eyes. So this being my center, I'm just going to come to the left a little bit, give myself a point, and come to the right a little bit. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So say about right here, kind of like half circle. And same thing over here. And about right here, just like the other side. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to come right here and draw a highlight. So I'm just going to draw a big oval, and then I'm just going to shade this all in. And same thing here. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to connect the eyes with a curve right about here. Just going to draw a curve right here to connect the eyes. Then I'm going to come to the center, so come down a little bit, so say about right here. And we're just going to start to draw a curve up under the eyes for the smile. So let's go up past the eye to about right here. And same thing on the other side. To about right there. And before I forget, I'm just going to come in here real quick and just draw his nostrils. Then from there, we're going to cap this off with a curve. And same thing here. Just cap it off, and then we're just going to enlarge this smile. So we're just going to bring it down to about right here. And same thing here. And connect all of this. There, nice big smile. And then I'm going to come right in here and draw the teeth, the center, and round it off and connect. And right here in the center, we're just going to add a line. And then we have the tongue. So we're going to come right here towards the center and draw two curves. And then this is all going to be shaded in. So let me do that really quickly. And luckily today I have a nice juicy Sharpie. Not like my other ones where I had to change my Sharpie. But still going to take a little while because I'm drawing a little bit big. There. Okay, so then from there we're going to come right here, we're going to go around our smile. So we're going to continue this curve under the eye and then go around to finish the mouth. So same thing here, just go around your smile. And then we're just going to come really close to this curve. So we're just going to finish it. Just going to follow the top. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we're going to come right back here and we're just going to draw one curve right here to finish off the face. And same thing here. Then let's come to the sides right here and we're going to draw a curve right about there. We're going to pop in the ear, which is one curve, bring it in, and I think there's a curve right here. So same thing here, just draw a curve and an ear. There. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and surround it with a bunch of curves for the head. So I'm going to come right here and start and here, and we're just going to go all the way around. Just going to draw some curves. So it's going to be a little bit poofier here. And now it's going to get closer to our curve as we come down. So just have fun with this. You're just going to go all the way. And same thing here. No right or wrong way, you just want to keep going around. You can make it your curves tighter or bigger, it's all up to you. And then right here we're gonna, let's say, pop it out about here and here, and we're just gonna make it nice and poofy. So we're gonna go up and say about right here, just draw one big curve for the center and bring it down. There, yay. So we have Baba Chop's head in now. So then from there, let's see here, we're going to draw the body. So I'm going to come right here and center it. So let's say about here and here, and we're just going to draw a simple body. So just angle down, and we're just going to connect it with a curve. And then let's find the center, which is about here, and we're going to left, come to the right, and we're going to come out right here to draw the feet. So I'm going to start on this side first. I'm just going to come down a little bit wider towards the bottom. So then about right there, we're just going to curve, round it off and connect. And then right about here, let's add a curve. So same thing on the other side. There. And then for the hands, just come right about here. Just gonna pop it out, and then just like the legs, just bring it in, and once again curve, and same thing here. It's nice and simple. And let's see here, just want to make sure approximately the same length. And about right there, round it off and then connect there. And then of course we need to draw the skull. So we're going to come to the center right here and start with a curve, and we're going to bring it down and about right here, the teeth part. So we're just going to pop this part out. And let's see here, we need 3 lines and then the eye socket. And a triangle for the nose. I'll shade this all in. And I think there's a little thing right there, and then we're going to connect it to his neck. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Baba Chop from Smiling Critters. I really hope I helped you draw this black sheep fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.